Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a spark of wonder? Maybe you've found yourself lost in daydreams, contemplating alternate versions of your life, the what-ifs that tug at your imagination. Imagine, just for a moment, a reality where every choice you've ever made branched out into a new universe, a universe so eerily similar yet distinct from our own. What if I told you we might just stand on the precipice of discovering one of life's most captivating mysteries, the existence of parallel universes? This cosmic enigma beckons us to explore the profound implications of our existence and inspires a journey filled with astonishing revelations. Stick around, because what you're about to uncover will challenge everything you thought you knew about reality. At the heart of this exploration lies one of the most thrilling ideas in modern science, the multiverse theory. Imagine a vast, intricate web of realities, with every choice creating a new thread that branches outward. Each thread represents an alternate universe, spinning away from ours, housing versions of you living different lives. You might be wondering, what does science say about this? The truth is, the multiverse isn't just a whimsical concept from science fiction, it is a serious area of research in physics and cosmology that may redefine how we perceive our own universe. Let's start our journey by diving into the realm of quantum mechanics. At the quantum level, particles exist in a state of probability rather than certainty. This means that, until observed, particles can inhabit multiple states simultaneously, a concept famously illustrated by Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a cat is simultaneously alive and dead until the box is opened. This peculiar behavior hints at a universe that may harbor hidden possibilities. As you ponder this mind-bending idea, consider this. What if every time a choice is made, the universe splits, your life branching into multiple realities? The possibilities are staggering. Here's something you didn't expect: this notion isn't merely speculative. Renowned physicist Hugh Everett III proposed the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics in the 1950s. His theory posits that all possible outcomes of quantum processes occur in a vast multiverse. This groundbreaking idea shifted the paradigm of physics, opening avenues that seemed inconceivable before. Imagine, if you will, that in one universe, you pursued your dream job, while in another, you took a totally different path. How would different life choices shape your identity? As we peel back the layers of this concept, consider how the multiverse impacts our understanding of fate and free will. Often, we grapple with life decisions, burdened by the weight of potential consequences. But what if the very act of choosing creates new versions of ourselves? Would this revelation free you from the anxiety of decision-making, knowing that every path you forego spawns an alternate you living that life? Could it alter how we view our relationships, ambitions, or even our regrets? It's as if parallel universes grant us a second chance at every missed opportunity, inviting us to rethink the narratives we tell ourselves. But how do we reconcile this fantastical idea with scientific rigor? The answer lies in mathematical theories and observational evidence. Cosmologists have proposed that the observable universe is just one bubble within a vast ocean of universes, each possessing distinct physical constants and laws. In this light, the multiverse is akin to a cosmic buffet. And here's a mini hook for you: if the mathematical models of string theory prove correct, we might indeed unlock layers of reality previously hidden from our view. Do you want to know where the realms of science fiction and fact converge? Consider the implications of black holes. For decades, they have fascinated scientists and dreamers alike, with some theorists positing that black holes could serve as gateways or bridges to other dimensions or universes. Imagine crossing a cosmic threshold to find yourself in a reality where gravity behaves differently or where time itself flows at a different pace. Have you ever thought about the infinite possibilities that might exist at the heart of a black hole? What kind of parallel versions of your life could be waiting there? However, it's not just black holes that provide tantalizing connections to the multiverse. Quantum entanglement and the concept of wormholes raise even more questions. Quantum entanglement suggests that particles can be instantaneously connected across vast distances, hinting at a deeper interconnectedness within the universe. Some scientists theorize that this could open doors to communicating with alternate realities. Picture this: what if there was a way to glimpse into those parallel worlds, to understand what your other selves are up to? Here's something that might shake your perceptions. The famous physicist Brian Greene argues that alternate universes could exist right in front of us, yet remain imperceptible due to differences in dimensionality. This idea challenges our conception of space-time, suggesting that while we navigate our three-dimensional reality, other universes could be intertwined in higher dimensions, inaccessible to our senses but impacting our existence in subtle ways. As we delve deeper, ask yourself, what if our feelings of déjà vu or those serendipitous moments occur when the veil between these realities thins? Could it be that at times we experience fleeting glimpses of our parallel selves? Such questions elevate the discourse around the multiverse into the realm of philosophical exploration, intertwining science with urgency as we seek meaning in connection. And speaking of connections, let's turn our attention to the philosophical ramifications of parallel universes. If every choice creates a new reality, does that imply a grander design orchestrating the threads of existence? What does it mean for concepts like morality, identity, and the very essence of consciousness? Imagine a universe where every action carries weight, and every choice ripples through the fabric of existence. This realization challenges us to become more mindful of our decisions. With every choice, we don't just shape our lives, we create destinies that resonate beyond our immediate experience. Explore, too, the emotional implications of such a perspective. Perhaps the existence of parallel universes can offer comfort in moments of sorrow or loss. Imagine looking at the path not taken and recognizing that, somewhere out there, you are living that life. Grief could transform into acceptance, as we begin to understand that the lives we cherish and have lost are but a thread in an infinite tapestry. As the narrative unfurls, let's confront the practical world as it stands now. Exciting advancements in technology and scientific inquiry are increasingly taking us closer to confirming aspects of the multiverse. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope promise to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, potentially detecting signatures of other universes or the remnants of cosmic inflation, the moment after the Big Bang when our universe expanded at unimaginable speeds. Imagine the day when humanity might receive a signal from another universe, a moment that could either challenge our understanding of existence or unite us in the shared wonder of a cosmos far more eclectic than we ever imagined. We are often drawn to the mysteries of the universe, and with every advancement, we inch closer to unveiling the layers of reality that surround us. Now, consider a thought that naturally follows this exploration. If there are infinite versions of you out there, what do they look like? Are they making the same choices? How do they perceive their reality compared to your own? This vast web of interconnected lives becomes the fertile ground for imaginative speculation. Some could be living extraordinary lives as celebrated artists or inventors, while others might be grappling with challenges we were fortunate to avoid. The mere thought of it uncovers an expansive canvas where every possibility is painted. As your curiosity piques about the paths not taken, perhaps we'll explore the emotional landscape of a multi-life existence. How might relationships weave in and out of these realities? Are there consistent bonds that persist across universes? It's an intriguing notion to contemplate, a lifetime shared with someone who exists not only in your universe but in countless others, resonating through every choice and consequence. Do connections endure, or do they dissolve into oblivion, flickering like stars in an ever-expanding universe? Before we pause this chapter of exploration, let's touch on the role of consciousness in this multifaceted reality. Is our consciousness merely a byproduct of our brain, or is it a bridge to something greater, a network that connects us to other versions of ourselves, feeding us insights and impulses drawn from parallel lives? Visualize a moment of inspiration hitting you. It could be the universe itself nudging you, a whisper from another you in a different reality, urging you to pursue that unexpected path. It's a thought that opens the door to profound questions. If consciousness stretches across parallel universes, what does that imply about the nature of existence? As we reach this point of our journey, it's clear we have only scratched the surface of the immense tapestry that is the multiverse. Each thread beckons us to explore deeper, to unravel more about ourselves and our place within this grand design. But let's take a breath here. We have delved into the scientific and philosophical implications of parallel universes, understanding how they challenge our perceptions of reality and identity. However, this exploration is not yet complete. In the next chapter, we will venture beyond the theory, examining how these notions infiltrate our culture, manifesting in literature, film, and art, each echoing our deepest desires to explore the infinite human experience. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the captivating tapestry of parallel universes, exploring how these imaginative possibilities have inspired storytellers and creators through the ages, each offering a glimpse into the alternate lives that haunt our dreams. The adventure is not over, far from it. As we continue our exploration of the multiverse, it's essential to recognize how deeply this idea has permeated our culture, shaping the narratives of literature, film, and art. These mediums have a unique way of embodying our yearnings to explore the infinite complexities of existence and the many lives we could lead. From the profound to the whimsical, stories of parallel universes speak to the human experience in ways that resonate on a deeply personal level. Let's journey through the landscape of literature first. Renowned writers have long been fascinated by the concept of alternate realities, crafting narratives that delve into existential questions and the nature of choice. One shining example is the Dark Tower series by Stephen King, where multiple dimensions intertwine and characters face the consequences of their choices across varied universes. King invites readers to ponder how fate intertwines with free will, illustrating the delicate balance between the threads of destiny woven across the multiverse. In a more contemporary vein, consider the work of authors like Neil Gaiman, whose American Gods explores themes of mythology and identity against a backdrop of multiple realities. Gaiman's prose encourages readers to reflect on the multiplicity of beliefs and traditions that exist, suggesting that every choice shapes not only our lives but the very essence of what we believe. He nudges us to consider the myriad narratives that shape our identities, luring readers into an endless loop of introspection about the nature of reality. Turning to the realm of film, we find an explosion of creativity that dives headfirst into the concept of parallel universes. Movies like Interstellar and Doctor Strange give cinematic life to the intricacies of space and time. Interstellar, in particular, pushes the boundaries of scientific possibility and emotion, exploring how love and connection can transcend the constraints of our 3D existence. It invokes the idea of higher dimensions and time as a fluid construct, inviting viewers to look beyond the horizon of their understanding. Everything Everywhere All at Once, an Academy Award-winning film, encapsulates the multiverse in a wild, frenetic narrative that follows an ordinary woman becoming the unlikely hero tasked with saving multiple realities. It deftly conveys the chaos and beauty of existence, showcasing the interconnectedness of choices and their ripple effects across time and space. This film, with its whimsical yet profound take on the multiverse, inspires reflection on identity, relationships, and the mosaic of human experience. Animated films, too, have succumbed to the allure of parallel universes. Spider-Man: Into the Spider-Verse introduces audiences to the notion of multiple Spider-People, each with their own distinctive backgrounds and storylines. This ingenious approach resonates with viewers by affirming the diversity of experiences encapsulated within a single character's journey, echoing the idea that in the multiverse, there are countless iterations of self woven together by shared themes. Art, similarly, serves as a powerful medium to express the complexities of multiple realities. Artists like M.C. Escher have visually represented multidimensional worlds, inviting viewers to step into spaces where reality folds in on itself. His works challenge our perceptual limits, encouraging us to confront dimensions we cannot see but can only imagine. This artistic exploration invigorates discussions about infinity and existence, leaving an indelible mark on our understanding of reality. Even the world of video games has embraced the lure of parallel universes, creating immersive experiences where players traverse multiple realities. Titles like The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time differentiate between alternate timelines, allowing players to witness the consequences of their choices. This interactivity amplifies the emotional stakes, illustrating how every decision can alter the fabric of a narrative and allowing players to reflect on their agency in a world of countless possibilities. As we traverse through these cultural manifestations, we realize that the fascination with parallel universes serves as a mirror of our desires, instincts, and fears regarding choice, consequence, and the essence of existence itself. Every creative expression grapples with that fundamental question: who are we in this vast cosmic tapestry, and what does it mean to exist? But beyond cultural representations, contemplating the multiverse pushes us to consider how these ideas affect our daily lives and experiences. With each decision we make, be it small or monumental, we engage with the concept of parallel universes inherently. Letting go of a job, moving to a new city, or even choosing what to have for dinner all unfurl variations of the self. What if the life you could have lived haunted you? Would there be comfort in recognizing that there is a parallel you who embraced that path, who thrived in the alternate narrative? The psychological implications of recognizing the existence of alternatives can be profound. The multiverse encourages us to cultivate a mindset of acceptance around our choices and the life we end up leading. Instead of dwelling on the what-ifs, we may find solace in the notion that every choice signals another reality continuing its journey independently. This can liberate us from the chains of regret and prompt a deeper appreciation for the life we inhabit, empowering us to embrace it fully. Furthermore, envision how our relationships might transform under the lens of parallel universes. Picture reconnecting with loved ones who've made different choices in their lives. Could the connections transcend even if the paths diverged? Through family gatherings, close friendships, and fleeting romances, we may intuitively uncover the threads that span across realities. The bonds we share could morph into deeper connections rooted in empathy for one another's journeys, leading to a richer understanding of our shared humanity. And in pondering the grand game of choices that unfold between parallel selves, we may come to appreciate the importance of every moment. Could it be that consciousness, tethered to an understanding of multiple realities, urges us to live more intentionally? What if our choices become invitations for exploration, nudging us to live fully in each divergence of reality, recognizing how intricately connected we all truly are? In light of this intricate web of ideas, consider the neuroscience that hints at how our brains are equipped to grapple with such complexities. Concepts like neuroplasticity, our brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new connections, reflect our very nature to navigate various versions of existence, making us resilient in the face of uncountable paths. Our minds, wired for adaptability, may very well serve as a bridge to understanding our shifting realities in the multiverse. But let's not overlook the spiritual implications as well. The notion of parallel universes can invigorate our quest for understanding the unity of existence. Philosophical and spiritual teachings often emphasize the interconnectedness of all beings. The recognition that there are infinite versions of ourselves, each imbued with its own experiences and explorations, reflects a universal truth that transcends our individual narratives. Here, we find an invitation to connect with something grander, a realization that we are all part of one cosmic dance, intertwined through the choices that echo across the multiverse. As we draw near to the end of this exploration, we stand before fundamental questions that challenge our understanding of existence. Is reality merely a collection of interconnected threads, each choice, each life, each possibility? What does it mean to be truly alive in a multiverse that continues to unfold, brimming with wonders we have yet to comprehend? In holding these inquiries at the core of our contemplation, we invite a sense of wonder back into our lives, beckoning us to view relationships, aspirations, and even failures with a newfound lens of curiosity. Each layer of exploration, from the scientific to the cultural to the deeply personal, reveals the tapestry of existence that invites us to dive deeper into the multiverse. As we peel back the curtain, we glimpse incredible truths about ourselves, how choice defines us, how connection transcends realities, and how every moment contains the potential for alternate lives lived and diverged. In conclusion, the multiverse theory poses captivating questions that unravel our understanding of reality, nourishing our imaginations and pushing us to explore the bounds of existence. As we continue to investigate and engage with these ideas, we reshape our understanding of who we are and the world we inhabit. Welcome the journey of endless exploration, knowing every choice is not merely a fork in the road but a doorway to infinite possibilities, echoing through the fabric of the cosmos. Embrace the mystery, indulge your curiosity, and marvel at the wonder of existence, because the adventure of the multiverse is just beginning, and you are at the very heart of it.